you find typing difficult or you feel that you're a slow typer, then there's a couple of little tricks that you can use on your computer to help you with this and to type quickly and get your information down on screen much quicker than if you were to use a keyboard. The first one is in Microsoft Word, and in the home panel up here on the ribbon, if you click on dictate, which is the microphone here, you'll hear a noise, and then as soon as you start speaking, the computer will hear what you're saying and it will try and translate it into some text. If you want to do a full stop, just say period, and it will turn it into a full stop just like that. So you can see what I'm saying, and I'm talking quite quickly. It's appearing on screen, and I've got down to a paragraph in about the last 15 seconds. So it's quite a quick way of getting your information down on screen. Period. Click the dictate button to stop it. Okay, the other one that you can use it's an online one, so you don't need Microsoft Word to do it. It's free. If you type in the address bar docs.google.com, you might have to create a Google account, but you can use something very similar. So in the tools menu, when you've created a new document, you can click on voice typing. You might have to press a couple of options to click OK to give it permissions on your computer, but you'll see this microphone panel appear. So if you click it, it will turn red and it's listening to everything you say. And very much in a similar way to Microsoft Word, those words that you say and you dictate will appear on screen quite quickly, and you'll be able to get down to a paragraph or two in about 10 or 15 seconds. So it's a very quick way of getting the information down on screen. If I press the stop button again, it will stop it. But one of the things that you will note is if you do speak, it doesn't put any commas in there or any full stops or anything like that. So you might have to go through it afterwards, clean it up, delete the odd word, put a full stop in, put a capital letter in. I'm not necessarily putting these in the right place, but you would have to tidy up your work once you've done it. I hope these two tools help you and improve the speed that you type at.